Breaking updates now coming in. JNU Student Union protest ongoing. 14 people have now been arrested so far. The JNUSU president, vice president, joint secretary being arrested after the clash with the police officials. So 14 protesters have been arrested by the Delhi police. The JNUSU president, the vice president, joint secretary, the former JNUSU president Nitish have all been arrested. Let's go across to my colleague Kritika joining us on the broadcast with the details. So Kritika, after the clashes, multiple students being taken into custody?
Well, yes, we saw that last night itself an FIR had been registered at the Vasant Kunj police station near the campus, and about 51 students were detained. Now, ISA, a student body from the left, is claiming that students were detained for over 14 hours. And arrests were finally made early this morning. So we're hearing that JNUSU President Aditi, Vice President Gopika Babu, Joint Secretary Danish Ali, all three of them have been arrested, even though All India President for ISA, Neha, has also been arrested by the Delhi police, in addition to other protesters as well. Remember the scuffle, Delhi police has also stated that 25 of Delhi police personnel also got injured in this entire scuffle, and that is why in the FIR we're also seeing sections pertaining to obstructing a public servant while they discharge their duty, and assault of a public servant while they discharge their duty as well. Some sections are also non-bailable. So this is quite a serious escalation in this entire matter. Last night, JNU had also officially released a statement wherein the administration had clearly stated that they had no permission to conduct this protest. Delhi police had also said that there was no permission to step out of the university gate. These protesters had broken the main gate of the university and then had also broken down the barricades, and there was a scuffle with the police officials as well. Now, as far as the student body is concerned, they say that there were police officials who were dressed up in civil dresses, who were non-uniformed, and they were the ones who were actually beating up and kicking around students, detaining them as well. So this is also a big charge that the student body has now leveled against the Delhi police, but the Delhi police has currently
has clearly only escalated. In fact, the JNUSU has also called for a complete university strike. Kritika, thank you for joining us with those details.